Okay, so mechanical wave, sinusoidal wave, those are a whole different subjects. So this is basically cross-disciplinary. We study music, but we from a physics standpoint, we study what is amplitude, what is frequency, what is velocity, what is um, what is acceleration, what is momentum, what is intensity, what is trajectory. Intensity determines the distance at which the sound travels. Because at some given point in time, when sound propagates in nature, when there's an impact that creates a force, that creates an energy that propagates, it has to dissipate at some given point in time, because sound can only travel at a particular distance, and this is determined by the force that created the impact, or the force that created if